Hello Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. And kung bago kayo rito, welcome na welcome din kayo. At thank you po sa inyong suporta. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Titignan natin ngayon kung ano yung mga messages ninyo for October 29 to November 4. Unang mensahe ninyo, pig, yan, beware of greed. Ayan, Leo. Beware of greed, no? Kung hindi naman masyadong kailangan, don't take it anymore. Give it to other people, no? Give a chance to other people naman. We have younger man, dealing sa relationship with a younger man. This could be anyone in your life, no? Maaring anak ninyo ito, maaaring pamangkin ninyo. That could also be katrabaho ninyo. That could be anyone, no? Sa buhay ninyo, Leo, that you're going to be dealing with. Vacation. Ayan. So, it's a must for Leo, no? Siguro na mag-take ng vacation. You don't need a lot of time to magbakasyon, but maybe, no, kahit short time lang, short span of time lang na bakasyon, you just need to take a breather dito. Kaya go for it, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo paalis na talaga, maaring may weekend getaway lang na pinaplano, or maaring talaga na mahaba-habang bakasyon ito, maaring staycation lang din ang gagawin ng iba. It doesn't matter, no? Bastang ang mahalaga dito magbakasyon kayo from trabaho, mag-step back kayo ng konting oras para makapag-replenish kayo ng mga lost energy ninyo, makapag-recharge, no? You are in the flow with life sa ngayon. You are in the flow with the divine universe nito. So, napakaganda. It's because, alalahanin ninyo na pag nagsusurrender tayo, if we are in the flow with the universe, napaka-smooth sailing ng lahat. Napakaganda, napakaayos ng lahat. Ano? Wala tayong resistance, wala tayong control na ginagawa. Sumusunod lang tayo sa agos ng buhay. Everything goes smoothly and everything falls into its right place at the right time, at the right place. No? Expansion. Wow. So, napakaganda nito. Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is expanding. Maaring related yan sa pag-aaral. Maaring related yan sa studies. Maaring related yan sa negosyo. It could be anything, no? But you're thriving, no? Manifestation yan na you are thriving, you are growing in any ways, no? So, that's really beautiful. We have healing. Ayan. Wow. So, you definitely need some kind of vacation for you to be able to heal. No? Kasi, maaring pagod na kayo. So, you need to replenish the lost energy. You need to recharge so that you can recuperate and rejuvenate. So, ayan. So, for others of you then naman, no, you are receiving healing energy. Yun na akin napipick up dito, Leo. You're receiving healing energy from the divine, from Archangel Raphael, no? Maaari din naman na yung mga, ang iba sa inyo nagpapagamot, no? Siguro may physical ailment, so nagpapagamot and you are receiving healing, no? Maaring nakikita o nararamdaman na din ninyo ang epekto ng inyong pagpapagamot, diba? So, maaring bumubuti na rin ang inyong pakiramdam. We have the lizard spirit, dream the world into being. Ayan. So, kung ano yung gusto ninyo mangyari sa buhay ninyo, ano yung gusto ninyo mag-manifest sa buhay ninyo. So, parang mag-ano na yan, makikita nyo na ang picture na yan into your 3D world, no? Kung ano man yung manifest ninyo, what your dreams are, maaring that is coming to fruition, that is coming to manifest na into your life, no? We have 65, whale spirit, trust the great mystery. Ayan. So, for some of you, diba? For some of us, actually, Leo, may mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin sukat akalain na nangyayari. And that is a miracle, diba? Hindi natin inaasahan. That is a surprise. And sometimes, hinahanapan natin ng rason kung bakit nangyari. How it happened. Diba? Yung mga ganon. But, yung sinasabi nito na just trust the great mystery, no? Because there are things talaga that are beyond our control na may mga nangyayaring nag-unfold na lang sa buhay natin. We never know how it happened. We didn't know why it happened, but let's just embrace it. No, life is about mystery talaga, di ba? Everything na nangyayari sa buhay natin, di ba, is magical. So hayaan na lang natin na mangyari ang mga ganong bagay. Ang gawin na lang natin is to embrace it, no, because that is a miracle that happens sa buhay natin, and let's just be grateful. No, wag nating kakalimutang magpasalamat sa Panginoon for everything, no, na nangyayari or dumadating sa buhay natin. Lalong-lalo na yung mga surpresang ganyan na napakabuti, napakaganda, nagpapasaya sa atin ng extra, no, at binibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. No, let's just embrace it and let's just be grateful, no, all the time. We have Bobcat Spirit. Oh, look at that. Life is a mystery. Yan ang sinasabi sa atin, no? Life is a mystery, no? May mga bagay na hindi natin kailangan alamin ang dahilan kung bakit nangyayari sa buhay natin. May mga bagay na dumadating sa atin na ikakabuti natin. Pero hindi na necessary na diskubrihin pa natin kung bakit binibigay sa atin, what we have done para i-bless tayo ng sobrang ganda or sobrang swerte, di ba? Let's just be grateful because life is a mystery. Let's just trust the great mystery because it's God's will. It's God's gift to us, no? So I appreciate na lang natin, no, Leo? What else? We have Nurturer of Fossils. This is really beautiful because this is mother archetype, and this is about prosperity and abundance. No, this is prosperity and abundance coming in. There are beautiful opportunities na financial related opportunities ang maaaring dumating sa inyo dito, Leo. That could be an offer of a business venture, business opportunity, career opportunity na sobrang ikakaganda niyan, or new job opportunity, and this is something na lucrative, no? Lucrative offers na parating sa inyo dito. So tingnan niyo, nilalaro ni Pig, 'di ba? Ang laking fossil. So that represents how big or how big deal yung mga opportunity na to na maaring dumating sa inyo, Leo, no? This is such a blessing, 'di ba? A blessing. And maari din naman na ang pinapakita ng mensaheng ito sa inyo is you are taking care of your family. Now, you are the one na punong abala sa pag-aalaga ng inyong pamilya, and at the same time, you are also providing for the family, no? So, ano ka na ngayon, Leo? Parang mabibigyan ka na ngayon ng trophy, kumbaga, sa pag-hard work ninyo, sa laki ng inyong puso, no? Because you are taking care of everyone and the family, and at the same time, you are also providing financially, no? So, we have 3 of fossils. Ayan. So, this is about money talaga, no? Maaari talaga na ito na yung financial success na parating sa inyo, Leo. And yung financial success na yan na makakamit ninyo with the help of other people. Because it feels like to me that there are people supporting you and helping you dito para marating ninyo ang financial success na yan, no? Maaring there are collaborations coming in dito before no matanggap yung yung success na yan. Maaari din na may mga katulong talaga kayo dito. Maaring sa proyekto yan, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, no? Maaring may kasosyo kayo dyan, no? But there is someone beside you na katulong ka, may support ka na nakukuha dito. That's why sabay-sabay kayong aangat, sabay-sabay kayong magre-reap ng rewards of your hard work dito, no? So lahat kayo makakatanggap ng financial success, lahat ninyo makakamit yung prosperity and abundance na yan, no? Guardian of Feathers. This could be someone, no? Yung katulong ninyo dito, this could be someone matured na, no? Someone matured, maaring this is someone, maaring yung ninyo yan, maaring boss din ninyo yan, no? Or maaring kasosyo na yan, someone matured na, no? That is going to help you, no? Sa lahat. Kung kailangan ninyo ng anong klaseng suporta, knowledge, kailangan ninyo ng input, kailangan ninyo ng bagay na magpapalinaw ng iyong kaisipan, whatever it is na kailangan ninyo, this person is very supportive of you. This person is always there with you, Leo, to support you in any way. So good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.